How to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger. So if you want to remove your contacts from your Facebook Messenger, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook Messenger application, and here after opening your Messenger you will have your chats, right? So if you want to remove a contact, then you can simply first you have to know that to remove a contact from your Messenger, you have to first unfriend or remove that person from your Facebook account, because Facebook is linked to Messenger. So you can't remove that person on Messenger. You have to first remove them from Facebook account, and after removing that you can remove them from your Messenger. So that's a way, but there is also another way. You can simply tap on the person's chat, and then here you will have a delete option on the second. You can simply tap on delete and that contact will be deleted. So that's the another way. Or you can also open the chat, and then you can go to the icon which is on the upper right corner, and here if you scroll down you will have restrict or block option. You can choose any one of that option, and after choosing that, the person or the account will be deleted from your contacts. So that's it. These are the few ways to remove the contacts from your Facebook Messenger, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.